Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with Peugeot announced the 2020 3008 and 508 plug-in hybrid. But before we get into the news, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. New Peugeot 3008 plug-in hybrid SUV will arrive in October with 296 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive powertrain. Peugeot has revealed the new plug-in hybrid editions of the 3008 SUV and the 508 Saloon. A flagship 4-wheel drive 3008 PHEV will reach UK showrooms in spring next year, while the 508 PHEV will arrive in early 2020. The 3008 hybrid is based on the same platform as the new Vauxhall Grand Line X PHEV. The two SUVs share a 13.2 kWh battery which can be fully charged from a 7.4 kW home wall box in an hour and 45 minutes. The French manufacturer says that the boot space won't be affected by the introductions of the battery pack, meaning the PHEV model will offer the same 591 liters of capacity found in the rest of the lineup. Meanwhile, Peugeot claims that emissions of 29 grams per kilometer are the lowest of any car in the sector of the market. The 3008 hybrid will only be available in Peugeot GT trim. This includes seats finished in Alcantara with real age oak wood featuring throughout the interior. The Peugeot 508 and 508SW plug-in hybrids will first using the same basic powertrain as the lesser powered 3008 PHEV. Prices are yet to be confirmed, but the 4-wheel drive 3008 hybrid 4GT will likely start from around 45,000 euros and the 2-wheel drive model is expected to start from around 35,000 euros, while price of the 508 PHEV range will be announced closer to the car's launch date.